make sure that you've downloaded and installed AB Quantum and Garmin Explore. Make sure you haven't just installed these, but make sure you've gone through the entire setup process. So if you haven't, go ahead and pause the video. From the App Store, install AB Quantum, set up your account, get everything good to go, and install Garmin Explore. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit up on the settings button. We're gonna hit up one more time. If you haven't calibrated your compass, if you have, then it's just gonna go straight to the menu. Scroll down to phone, and then where it says status, you're gonna just go ahead and hit the range button to switch that to waiting for phone, okay? Make sure that you update the software in that device. So we're gonna do that now. You can see the software update, and you can see that it's sending the software update. That is an important step. It's not necessary to wait here for that to finish, but it is necessary to do any software updates that happen whenever you connect when you connect the rangefinder to the app, okay? So we're gonna let that run in the background. And once you've turned it on, I want you to press up on that D-pad, and that's gonna bring up this settings menu. And the first thing that you're gonna have or you're gonna see is compass calibration. Go ahead and do that like you can see here. And then the next thing, I'm gonna back out and cancel, but the next thing you're gonna do is go into the settings menu again, scroll down to HUD profile, and then from there, what I want you to do is scroll down and select applied ballistics. And that makes sure that this is set up in the applied ballistics mode. Then go back to settings, push up one time, and then scroll right, go to the AB menu, and scroll down through the AB menu and go to settings in the AB menu, as you can see here. And I want you to set all of the settings in the AB menu here as you need them. Make sure you've got them properly set up for how you plan to use those settings. And that's before we get started, okay? And then we're gonna go over here to AB Quantum. Once we get into AB Quantum, we want to be on the devices page. So to get there, you can just tap devices here, you can see in the bottom corner. If you happen to be on the home screen like such, you can just click here on devices as well to get to devices. But we're here on devices, and now we're going to add a new device. So we can hit the plus symbol in the upper right hand corner, or we can just tap add new device. Now you can see here that it's already in our available menu. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to tap on the L60i, which is now our active device, and it's paired to the app at this point. So that's how easy it really is to pair your L60i to the AB Quantum app. And from this point forward, you can see that we've got our Bluetooth icon is green here at the top, but essentially the rangefinder is paired to the app. So if I were to range across the room here at 7 yards, you can see 7 yards populates inside of the app automatically for us. And it's really that simple. So hopefully this video was helpful. Please do like and subscribe to these videos as it helps us disseminate this information out to other users. Thank you and have a good day.